arm your quads. Gotta be first or second to stay alive. Live on the tone in lesson 5. Interesting stack here in this first round. This is the preliminary round of the consolation bracket. We'll do a loser's bracket, then a winner's bracket, then a loser's bracket. We shuffle it up here in the preliminary round for lack of back-to-back, but Flying J already in this consolation bracket, not what you're really looking at. You see he's kind of standout here, getting in front of the entire field. About to come over the hurdle towards our start-finish gate here, right on about the 20-yard line. And that'll be a 35.8 for Flying J with a pretty good gap. Now Flying Pollock going to get up and over. 45.5 for him onto the lead lap, lap number 2. Sparky the Gray within 2.6 seconds of third. And Hruswicki is now 6 seconds out of second. Now here's what we need to be. Top 2 to advance. Bottom 2 are done. They finish 16th and 15th overall of the 2019 Collegiate Drone Racing Championships. Remember, this is the top 16 as they work through their bracket. And Flying Pollock, even though he was running in second, he has now crashed out. Flying J's owning this one. And now Sparky the Gray and Hruswicki will be battling for that second transfer position when they cross over onto lap number 3 here momentarily. Flying Pollock trying to get back up in the air. Hruswicki down on terra firma. And Flying J with the win. 3 laps in 99 seconds. A 35, a 31, and a 32. He gets the win. Gonna let the rest. Look at this. We're too wide around that tower between Sparky the Gray and Flying Pollock, even though Flying Pollock is a lap back. We'd like to see that battle for track position. I think this is going to be where our journey comes to an end. There we are. They're clapping. They're still excited. Sparky the Gray pulling up second. And that is going to give Flying Pollock third, Hruswicki fourth. Actually, it'd be the other way around. NASCAR rule. So, once a leader crosses onto their final lap, everyone crosses onto their final lap. So it'll be third for Hruswicki, fourth for Flying Pollock. Going to hit the save button. And we're going to move first and second up, staying alive in our competition to race